my name is Justin. Today, I want to show you how to make your own set of parallettes. I'm taking gymnastics lessons. I've learned it is important to have strong core muscles from many of the gymnastic movements. While my Uncle Murray was visiting, we built a set of parallettes so I can practice each day at home. To make parallettes, you can use PVC pipe, which is very affordable. Ours is 1¼ inches thick. We used a hacksaw and a miter box as the tools. Using 8 covers, 4 T-connectors, 4 elbow pipes, PVC cement glue, and a 10-foot long 1¼ inch PVC pipe. It was simple to build. Cut the PVC into 2 18-inch segments and 12 6-inch pieces. Hold the pipe close to the edge so it doesn't wiggle back and forth while you're sawing. After you've done all the cutting, your pieces should look like this. Now use PVC cement to glue all the parts together, 2 pieces at a time. Please understand that PVC cement is very sticky, dries fast, and will glue your fingers together if you're not careful. And that's why we're wearing gloves and gluing over cardboard. First, put the cement inside one cap and insert one of the 6-inch pieces. Make sure it's level by pressing it down on the ground. Next, glue on the T-connector and put the cap on another 6-inch piece. Glue it to the other side of the T-connector. Keep pressing the parts together to make sure everything is snug. Glue the third part of the T and add another 6-inch pieces to it. Repeat this process 3 more times until you have 4 looking exactly the same. These are the part of the parallettes that sit on the floor. Now, take your 18-inch piece and glue an elbow on. Glue the other side of the elbow and insert it into the section that you just made. At this point, it's really important to make sure everything is level before moving forward. When you're certain it's level, glue this elbow into the other side and repeat. Push it in tightly and adjust as needed. You've completed one of the parallettes. Do the same thing again to complete your second parallette. Wrap it with sports tape for extra grip. Now that you've made a set, what are you going to do with them? You could do tuck holds, tuck wash, L-sits, push-ups, V-sits, and as you get really good, you can do more advanced exercises. Let us know if you make your own set of these. Leave a comment. I'd love to hear what you've used them for. If you want to watch more of our videos, click here. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching our video. Bye!